Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to create collections on Amazon Kindle 11. To create a new collection, we're going to have to tap the three dot icon in the top right corner of our device and select Create a Collection. Then we're going to have to add a new name for our collection. We can also mark our collection as favorite, then tap Create and select books you want to add to your collection. You can select books from your library and tap Save. And now we can browse our collections by tapping this sort icon at the top right corner and selecting Collections. And this way we'll see all the collections we have in our library. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.